Okay, in this video I want to cover a tool called the Burp Suite Mobile Assistant. Now for clarification, this tool is not working on my iPhone at all. I think it might be because of the version of iOS that I'm actually using because it's on iOS 14.7. I think it might be a bit of a too high of a version of iOS for the Burp Suite Mobile Assistant to work properly. But I wanted to cover the tool anyway so that you have some idea overall of how to use it, and if you wanted to try it on your device, it would allow you to utilize this tool effectively, and just to have it as another tool in your tool belt overall. So here is the page on portswigger.net for installing Burp Suite Mobile Assistant. And basically you can get to this page just by doing a quick Google search for Burp Suite Mobile Assistant. And this is specifically used for iOS devices to install the Burp Suite Mobile Assistant, this instruction set, so you know where everything really came from. Now in the previous videos we already had Burp Suite set up and intercepting our application traffic, but in some cases the mobile assistant can also help us to break SSL pinning. So I just want you to have this as a resource, this webpage, so that you know how to set everything up here. And I'll also link this as well in the course notes. Now I'm going to demonstrate how we're going to set up the Burp Suite Mobile Assistant. So here I am on my jailbroken iPhone, and I'm in the Cydia store here, and I'm going to go to sources. I'm going to click edit here, and I'm going to click add. And here I'm going to fill in the URL of my MacBook and the port where it's running Burp Suite. Now the problem here is that it has https:// We need to change that to http:// and then we could actually just do like burp :8082 if we wanted to do it like that. This should work as well. You can see it's updating sources. You could also just put the IP address of your MacBook in there. As you might know, putting burp in there as the URL basically is directing it to your MacBook anyway, wherever Burp Suite is running. Okay, and now we can see this Burp Suite Pro has popped up in the sources here. I'm going to click that, click all packages. I actually don't see the package here. Let me just try to edit this. Let me try by putting in the IP of the actual MacBook. So http://192.168.168.127.198 port 8082. See if this makes any difference. Oh, the reason why the mobile assistant was not showing was because I actually had this already installed. But in that sources tab, what you would do on the very first time is that you would go to this all packages section. You would actually see mobile assistant labeled here, and that's how you would know the mobile assistant is installed. So I'm going to go here to the mobile assistant. You can see that this is the package installed. And if I look for the mobile assistant, I took this off of my home screen. There's the mobile assistant, and here you can actually put in all of your host information. Again, this would be essentially the IP address of your MacBook. And then the port, click use as proxy, install the CA certificate just as before. It can help to just speed up the process a little bit. And then you can also verify that this is working by clicking test settings. You're going to see I'm going to get this failure here saying the CA certificate is not installed. Now that is not true, because if we actually go to the settings, of course, go to General and the Certificate Trust Store and all that stuff, these profiles, we already know the Portswigger CA is trusted. But I think this is only happening because of my version of iOS. So I still wanted to show you the Burp Suite Mobile Assistant tool so that you can actually use this if you have an older version of iOS than 14.7. This might still be a helpful tool for you. Now in my case, because the Burp Suite Mobile Assistant did not work properly, next I'm going to go ahead and actually install the SSL kill chain application, which is going to help us to break SSL pinning anyway. So if installing the Burp Suite Mobile Assistant does not work for you, maybe you get that certificate error, then you're going to want to go to the next video and learn how to install SSL kill chain as well.